So now let us give more information about this query editor, what kind of options we have there. So here on the left side, I have the queries which I am using to fetch our data from a certain data source. In my case, it's a CSV file, but it can be, as you know, it can be any data source. And here on the middle, I have the table view. So I can see the content of the tables, all the tables which I have query for. And here on the top, I have the formula bar. So here I can use DAX. You remember what we said on the outlines? We said that we're going to explain DAX. So how we can write a certain formula which is going to apply a certain action. So we are going to see how we can do that later on during the session. On the right side, what do we have? We have the name. For each and every tables, we have different name. Also here below, we have something which is very important, which is apply the step. We notice here that in the Power Query Editor, we don't have undo, right? We don't have undo option. So if I will do a certain changes, can I undo it? Yes, you can do that. Let us see how to do it. So for example, let us assume that we will go to customer, and then after that, what I will do, I'm going to change the first name column. I'm going to make it all, I'm going to change it all to a lowercase. So to do that, what we need to do, we can go to transform, we can go to text column, and here we have format. From format, I can go ahead and I can click on lowercase. So in this case, what will happen, I'm going to convert all the string, all the characters available in this column from the uppercase into a lowercase. So let us click on that. So now we have the same column content, but it is on lowercase. And also we can notice something, that here on the apply the step, I have a new step which is added, which is written what? Lowercase text. So this is actually the step which is added. This is the step which I have done it, and it's simply added there as a note that you have applied this step. So what is the benefit of it? If I don't want to do this action, I just want to remove it. So what to do? You just need to go to the apply the step. You just need to click on your table, go to the apply the step, and remove the step which you don't want to apply it anymore over your table. For example, I don't want to make it on lowercase, I just want to get it back as it is. So I just need to click on X mark here, and again this is step which I have performed, now it's deleted. So this is something which we can say like undo option. So instead of having undo, you have here all these steps for each and every table. You have all these steps which you have applied, and you simply need to go there whenever you want to remove some of the steps. You just need to go there and click on the X mark. That step will be removed. That step will be removed. Also here in the top, what do we have? We have different sections. The most important section which we will use when we are on the query editor or when we are doing data transformation is transform and add column, also plus home. So there are many options available here, but I just want to explain something which is very important, which is transform and add column. Now here in transform, you can notice that we have text column, we have number column, we have date and time. So we have all of these options available on the transform section. These are the options which is going to allow us to transform the text column. For example, if I have a numerical column, I can transform it using these options. If I have a date and time column, I can also transform it using these options. But if we will go to add column, I have exactly the same. I have text also, I have number, and I have date and time. So it is a little bit confusing at the beginning because you don't know the difference, but now I'm going to explain, and it's going to be very easy for you to understand that when I need to use this option from add column and when I need to use it from transform.